Upgrading the yuan. We've been positive on the Chinese yuan and believe that its strength has more room to run. There is scope, in our opinion, for other Asian currencies to appreciate in tandem with a stronger Chinese yuan. China's August activity data shows broadening recovery as consumption and exports pick up, and the China economy continuing to lead the global recovery. US-China tensions and the emergence of a multipolar world order will likely fuel a growing need for China to accelerate Chinese yuan internationalization in the coming years. US elections matter to the Chinese yuan. National polls and prediction markets show former Vice President Joe Biden leading President Trump, though this gap has closed from its widest levels in recent weeks. While we cannot rule out rising US-China tensions within the next 6 weeks until the US presidential elections, which could be closer than many investors expect, a Biden presidency, currently the most likely outcome, could provide further relief for the Chinese yuan. Tariff wars have been a key driver of Chinese yuan weakness in 2018 to 2019. The process of gradual economic disengagement between the US and China will probably continue for some time, regardless of who wins the presidential election. However, a pivot away from tariffs as a primary economic policy tool used by the current Trump administration could extend the recent appreciation of the Chinese yuan. There's been little official pushback against recent Chinese yuan strength, both by way of the bias on US dollar Chinese yuan midpoint fixings and in terms of outright intervention. We believe the authorities are likely to tolerate further moderate Chinese yuan appreciation, which is consistent with China's objective to promote wider international use of the Chinese yuan. Excessive appreciation pressures can be offset by outbound capital liberalization, if necessary. Bottom line, Chinese yuan as a non-zero yield currency with an improving fundamental backdrop will likely remain attractive in a zero interest rate world.